Temu coupon code. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can basically use or maybe redeem your Temu coupon code, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to redeem or maybe use your Temu coupon code, it's actually very simple to do so. Just go to temu.com and let's say you have a certain coupon code that you'd like to maybe redeem it. First of all, just make sure to add the product that you want to buy to your cart and then just hit the checkout button here. Once you go to the checkout process, on the right hand side you should be able to see order summary, and right here you'll be able to apply the coupon code. So just make sure to enter the coupon code that you have and then just hit the apply button. Depending upon the value of this coupon code, the discount will get successfully applied and then you will get as minimum discount as possible. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and basically actually get or use the coupon code on Temu. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.